So here we are, we're looking at the end behavior of polynomials. So what we're going to do is, I've listed here basic polynomials. We're going to do a super basic sketch, like super basic. And then you're going to see the end behavior. That's basically what's happening with the arms. Okay? So here's a linear. What does a linear look like? What's my basic sketch? If you look on our room, it's right above Ariel over there, right? What does linear look like? Looks like this here, right? So when I talk about end behavior here, I'm basically talking about the arms of the function or the arrows. So I want to know what is happening with the arrows. So the bottom left arrow is going down and the top right one is going up. True? That's basically what's happening here. Now we're going to do a quadratic. What does a quadratic look like? Yeah, it looks like a U, right? So what is the end behavior going to be? Both arms are up. True? Alright. Cubic. We know that picture. What does it look like? Kind of looks like this guy here, right? What do the arms look like? Yeah, we got one arm. The right arm is going up. The left arm is going down, right? You guess what x to the fourth will be? X to the fourth, actually, both arms are still kind of going up. Okay, now, x to the fourth doesn't always look like a U, but in this graph, the basic one looks almost like a parabola. But the idea is that the arms are still going up. X to the fifth, what does that look like? Who knows? Just kind of like this thing here. But where are the arms going? One arm goes up, one arm goes down. And what about x to the sixth? Can you guess what that's going to look like? X to the sixth can look like a W. Doesn't need to, though. And the point is, both arms are going up here. So let's look at our trend now. What have we discovered here? So far, they both go opposite, right? And then what happens? They both go what? Up. And then what? Opposite, and then what? Up. And then opposite, and then they both go up. Can anyone figure out how that correlates to our functions here? Yes. Yeah, very good. If you notice, x to the 1, they both went in opposite directions, the arms, right? X squared, they both went up. X cubed, opposite directions. X to the fourth, both up. X to the fifth, odd, opposite directions. To the sixth, they both went up. So, we're going to write our trend now. And it says, what do we notice? Even powers. The arms both go what? Up. Or they could both go also down. If the leading coefficient is negative. I.e., if there's a negative there, it's going to go down. Okay?
It doesn't matter if it's like a positive. No, it's an even number, and if it's a negative, it will go down.
Yeah. Okay. Now, odd powers. The arms go in opposite directions, basically. Okay. We're going to practice doing this more over here, but this was the basic outline of the rules here.